Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset OPPO F33 5G smartphone. This is helpful for those who forgot their password pin or pattern. As you can see, wrong pattern, please try again. You can see wrong pattern, please try again. Okay, to do hard reset, first press the volume up and power button together. Now slide downward to power off your smartphone. Okay, now it is successfully power off. Now press and hold the volume down and power button together, and when the OPPO logo appears after 1 to 2 seconds, when it appears after 1 to 2 seconds, release it. Now here select language. It will send you in recovery, and here two options is available: format data and reboot device. Tap on format data. So you can see, please enter verification code. Here in format data we have a verification code which is 2669 for this phone. So enter it, 2669. So you can see on bottom, format data, all user data will be reset. Guys, I would like to inform you that after hard reset, all stored data files will be deleted. Now simply tap on format. Okay, wiping, please wait. And you can see on bottom, data is successfully formatted. Now simply tap on OK. And guys, after hard reset might take some time to put up the device, and after hard reset again ask for password, pin or pattern, use the Google account to unlock the phone. So guys, this is the method to hard reset OPPO F33 5G smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to click on bell icon for the latest updates.